They fly by night and have many people running scared. But scientists in Mexico say bats rank among the most misunderstood and intensely persecuted creatures. In addition to being the world's only flying mammals, bats play a critical role in seed dispersal and pest control. But as urbanization increases, their habitats are diminishing, and a group of scientists with the Program for the Conservation of Migratory Bats are on a mission to ensure that bat populations in Mexico remain healthy. Researcher Jorge Vargas is part of a team that is heading to the Calakmul Biosphere Reserve to examine a cave known as El Volcán de los Murciélagos, or the Bat Volcano.
We don't
know a lot about bats. Even though we can see many emerging from the cave, we ignore a lot about their biology.
Each night, almost 500,000 bats emerge from the cave to hunt and feed. There are 9 species of bats living here. The most common is the Mexican free-tailed bat. Its tendency to congregate in large numbers makes it vulnerable to habitat destruction. Dr. Joaquin Arroyo from the National Institute of Anthropology and History says this is an ideal location to study because a newly expanded highway sits less than 600 feet from the cave.
We do know aspects such as habitat destruction, for example, or the fact some people confuse them with vampire bats, could lead them to attack populations, some of which could be exotic.
When bats are captured in the harp-shaped traps, the team examines their reproductive age, species, size, and temperature. The researchers also observe the bats' feeding patterns, which indicate that they consume about 1 ton of insects per night in the cave area. Biologist Leonardo Lopez Damian from the Autonomous University of Guerrero points out that in addition to insect control, their feeding patterns play an important role in helping preserve the world's forests.
Many of the bats that live in the reserve eat fruit. When they eat fruits, they take the fruit to another area in the reserve and they drop the seeds somewhere else. They help to spread seeds. A lot of these seeds grow and aid reforestation efforts.
Muchas de esas semillas crecen y ayudan a hacer una especie de reforestación natural.
They have inhabited the planet for the past 50 million years, and today, bats make up nearly a quarter of the global mammal population. The team at the Calakmul Biosphere Reserve say they're doing what they can to maintain that ratio. Sharon Reich, Reuters.